This is the quick all you need to know review of Chanel Le Volume Mascara. I have it in 10 Noir, so black, in both waterproof and non-waterproof. They are a bit different and I'm going to tell you why. I have used Chanel's mascaras for years and I have a few things to say about them. First of all, I never got so many compliments on my lashes like when I'm using this mascara. The brush head is quite hard and have short bristles. It picks up the intense black mascara easily. The more you work with this brush, the longer the lashes feels. I find it easy to work with the brush and build up intense full lashes. So what is the difference between the waterproof and the non-waterproof? The waterproof version is extremely long wear. I can even work out with it and have no issues. However, I have noticed it dry out my lashes a little bit, so I prefer to use the non-waterproof for daily use. If you want naturally long-looking lashes that are full and not clumpy, this is the mascara for you. I have not used another mascara in over 5 years since I found this.